We all use our boats to enjoy the outdoors and to take a breath of fresh air away from our daily lives. But when it comes time to enjoy the interior of our boats, we can be met with stale and unclean air. We want our indoor experience to feel as refreshing as the time we spend outdoors. Dometic's innovative ionizer can be easily located anywhere in the airstream. This includes placing the brushes directly into the fan, ductwork, transition boxes, or directly behind any discharge grill. Using the drill template included in the box, simply drill 2 holes. Next, press in the rubberized ionizer brushes. Ensure necessary breakers are off before working with any electrical connections. And once the breakers are safely in the off position, connect the Breathe module to a power source. Power can be standalone connection or directly to a fan power source. Connecting to a fan output will ensure you only generate ions when needed. Lastly, turn on the power and enjoy fresh, clean air. Dometic's Breathe Ionizer is the simple and effective solution for pure, clean air inside your vessel. Inhale comfortably and enjoy the crisp, fresh air provided by Dometic.